you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Mailchimp to create newsletter. The first thing you want to do after creating your account on Mailchimp, which you can do for completely free, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on create. After selecting create, you'll be redirected to this page. Keep in mind that you can see the different options that you're offered on Mailchimp. So not only could you create a newsletter, but you could also use this platform to create a website, a landing page. If you like to add a sign up form or pop up or surveys, you can also do that using Mailchimp. But to create a newsletter, all you'll need to do once on this page, you're going to tap on design email right beside regular email. Then from there, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, all you'll need to do now, you can add your recipients. So you could tap on add recipients right there. And from here, you could import your contacts using a CSV file or so on if you have saved contacts. You can also tap right where you see from right here, and you could tap on add from. And from there, you could input your name and email address that you would like to be displayed. You can also tap on add subject, and then from there, you could quickly add a subject for your newsletter or email that you're about to send out. Another thing that you can also do is if we were to tap on edit send time, another thing you could do if you were to tap on edit send time, from here, if you were on Mailchimp paid plan, you will be able to set the time that you would like to release your newsletter. Now, after doing that, you can tap on design email. Then you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you have quite a few options. For example, you could toggle on free templates only in the top right hand corner right here. Then from there, you can scroll down and you can see the different email templates that you can choose from, as you can see right here. So let's say for example's sake, I would like to use this template right here, the minimal template. All I would have to do is tap on apply. After tapping on apply, you'll be redirected to this page. And this is the page that you'll be able to customize your newsletter. So for example, if you would like to add your logo, you could tap on this section. Then from here, you could go over to the left-hand menu option and you could tap on set logo, and from there, you'll be able to upload your logo. After uploading your logo, if for example, you would like your logo to be clickable, so let's say for example, we were to tap right there, you could tap on link to, then you could simply paste in the URL that you would like to redirect persons to once they click on your logo. Another thing that you could also do if you like to edit the text box, you could tap on the text box that is currently there, and from there you could type in whatever text you want. And you can also see the menu option at the top right here, which you can use to change the font size and font color and so on for your text. And if it is a case that you would like to add an element that you do not see in this section, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and from here you can see numerous options. So for example, let's say for example's sake, you would like to add an image right here. All you'll need to do is drag and place the image box right there. After you have done that, we could add an image. For example's sake, we could tap on add, then I'll tap on upload image, and I'm just going to upload a random image. So let's say for example, this ebook cover, and I would tap on upload right there. After tapping on upload, if it is a case that I want it to be clickable, I could simply paste in the URL that I would like it to be clickable on right here. After doing that, all you'll need to do now, you'll tap on done in the top left hand corner, and from there you'll see that my ebook has now been added. So if I were to scroll down, you can see the ebook cover right here. And if it is a case that you would like to remove a section, so let's say I would like to delete this section, all I would have to do is select it, then tap on remove block, and I could also tap on select and remove block right there. So I could remove this entire section right here if I wanted to, by simply selecting it. Then you could scroll down, and from there you could add, for example sake, let's say you would like to add a button. You can also do that. So I could add a button right here above the ebook. All I would need to do is go over to the left hand menu option and drag and place the button right there. After you have added the button, you can go over to the left hand menu option and you could paste in the URL that you would like to redirect it to. You can also tap on the button, and from there you could change the button text if you want. So let's say, for example, I wanted to change it to buy now. I could do that. After tapping on the button text right here, I could clear that. So let me delete it real quick. And then from there, I could type in buy now. As you can see right there, you can also change the button shape. So if you'd want it to be round or shaped like a pill, you could do that. You can also change the size of the button, so you can make it medium or large, as you can see right there. And you can go over to the left hand menu option once more, tap on done, and you can see all the elements that you can add. You can also tap on styles if you would like to change the style right here. You can preview how it would look on mobile by tapping on mobile, as you can see right there. And once you're finished and everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now, we could tap on preview in the top right hand corner. After tapping on preview, you can see how it looks right here. So this is how it looks at the moment. And again, you can preview how it looks in mobile, how it would look in someone's inbox by tapping right there. And you can see it right there. Once everything is to your liking, you'll simply tap on the X. Then from there, we could tap on the arrow right here. After doing that, you could tap on send test email, and you could send out a test email. And then you could tap on save and exit. After tapping on save and exit, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you can see right here that we have now added the content. After the content has been added, you would have already added the recipients, as I had told you earlier. Then all you would need to do now is tap on send, and you would be able to send out your newsletter. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.